Have you noticed how air fryers are popping up everywhere lately? And honestly, it's not just a trend. They really do let us enjoy our favorite fried foods in a healthier way. But with so many choices out there, how do you even begin to pick the right one? Well, let me introduce you to the Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer, model 14539. This one really stands out. It's got some awesome features, a sleek look, and honestly, it's just fun to use. Priced at $149.99, it's definitely a strong contender in the air fryer world. So, let's dive in and see what makes this air fryer such a hot pick. Alright, let's check out what makes this air fryer stand out from the crowd. First up, the Bella Pro gives you a huge 9-quart capacity. Seriously, you can fit a whole chicken in here, or enough chips for the whole family. And check this out, the dual flex basket is a total game changer. You can cook 2 different foods at once and there's no weird flavor mixing. Pretty cool, right? The touchscreen, super easy to use, even if you're not a tech person. Plus, those pre-programmed settings mean you don't have to guess cooking times. Basically, this air fryer is loaded with features to make your life in the kitchen way easier. So, why might you want to pick the Bella Pro air fryer for your kitchen? Well, first off, it's a much healthier way to cook your favorite foods. Air frying uses way less oil than regular frying, so you can enjoy crispy treats without all the extra grease. That means fewer calories and less fat in every bite. Plus, the Bella Pro is super easy to use. Anyone in the family can get the hang of it. The touchscreen controls? They're really simple and respond quickly. And with the pre-programmed settings, you don't have to guess about cooking times or temperatures. Cleanup? It's a breeze since the parts are dishwasher safe. So if you want a convenient, healthy way to make tasty meals, the Bella Pro air fryer is definitely worth a look. Alright, let's chat about a few things you might want to keep in mind with the Bella Pro. First off, it's a bit on the bulky side, so make sure you've got enough counter space for it. Also, some folks have noticed it doesn't always cook evenly. This can be a bit annoying, but it's usually just a matter of getting the settings right. Take some time to experiment and tweak the cooking times. In the end, the Bella Pro's benefits definitely outweigh these minor issues. Alright, let's get real for a second. What are actual customers saying about the Bella Pro air fryer? This air fryer is definitely making waves online. It's rocking an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, with over 100 reviews to back it up. That's pretty impressive. People from all walks of life, busy parents, foodies, and even folks who just want dinner on the table fast, are sharing how much they love using it. It seems like the Bella Pro air fryer is really connecting with a lot of different people. The big highlights? Everyone's talking about how easy it is to use, how much food it can handle, and of course, how crispy everything turns out. The touchscreen is super intuitive, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll have no problem figuring it out. And if you've got a family or just like to meal prep, that large capacity is a total game changer. One happy customer put it perfectly: "This air fryer is amazing. I use it for everything on summer day." They're whipping up quick snacks and full meals, and they say it's become a must-have in their kitchen. Plus, it's saving them a ton of time, so they get to hang out with family more. And let's talk about cleanup. Because nobody likes scrubbing pans, right? People love how easy it is to clean. The non-stick surface and removable parts mean you can get everything sparkling in no time. For a lot of folks, that's the push they need to use it even more often. Another reviewer raves about the dual baskets. "I love the dual baskets," they say. "It's perfect for cooking 2 things at once, like a main dish and a side, or if you're dealing with picky eaters who want different things. Super convenient. I can cook chicken in one and veggies in the other. It's a game changer." That kind of flexibility is awesome, especially if you're trying to eat healthier or just want dinner done faster. So, bottom line, real people are loving the Bella Pro air fryer. The feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Folks are impressed with how well it works, how easy it is to use, and all the cool features. If you're thinking about adding one to your kitchen, you're definitely not alone. Welcome to Section 6. Let's talk about cooking with confidence and getting inspired with your Bella Pro. If you're feeling a little unsure about using your new air fryer, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. The good news? The Bella Pro comes with a handy recipe booklet to help you get started right away. And if you want even more ideas, there are tons of recipes online just waiting for you to try. Whether you're craving crispy chips or juicy chicken, there's really no limit to what you can make. Wijne Sarden Nawan Sonda Brabadem Bonsen Bonam Boyan Kur Dom Einen Sonander Bananim Mob. Be afraid to play around with different ingredients and seasonings. Have some fun with it. You'll be surprised at just how many delicious and healthy meals you can whip up. The Bella Pro really does make it simple to step up your cooking game. So go ahead, let your inner chef shine and have fun exploring all the tasty things you can make with air frying. Alright, let's talk about some other air fryer options you might want to check out. The Bella Pro is definitely a solid pick, but there are plenty of other great air fryers out there too. If you want something a bit smaller, you might like the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1, with its 5.5 quart size, super handy. Or, if you're watching your budget, the Cosori Air Fryer Max XL gives you a lot of bang for your buck. At the end of the day, the best air fryer is the one that fits your needs and what you like to cook. Take a little time to do some research and see which one matches your cooking style and your wallet. Don't be shy about shopping around, you'll find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen in no time. Section 8. Final verdict. Is the Bella Pro air fryer worth it? So, let's get down to it. Is the Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer worth your hard-earned cash? If you're looking to cook healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, this might just be your new best friend. With its sleek design and modern features, it really stands out in the crowded market of kitchen gadgets. Imagine making your favorite meals with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying methods. Sounds amazing, right? And the best part? You don't have to compromise on taste or texture. The large capacity, dual baskets, and user-friendly features make it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The 9-quart capacity is perfect for families, or if you love hosting dinner parties. You can cook 2 different dishes at the same time, thanks to the dual baskets. Talk about a game changer for meal prep. The touchscreen interface is super intuitive, letting you choose from multiple cooking presets with just a few taps. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or reheating, the Bella Pro has got you covered. Sure, it has a couple of minor drawbacks. Some folks find the baskets a bit tricky to clean, and it does take up a fair amount of counter space. But honestly, these are small issues when you look at the overall performance and versatility. The Bella Pro air fryer is designed to make your life easier and your meals healthier. At $149.99, the Bella Pro offers excellent value for its features and performance. When you compare it to other air fryers in the same price range, the Bella Pro stands out for its larger capacity and additional features. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, especially if you're committed to a healthier lifestyle. The cost is justified by the quality and convenience it brings to your kitchen. If you're ready to ditch the deep fryer and embrace a healthier way of cooking, the Bella Pro is an excellent choice. Traditional deep frying methods are not only messy, but also unhealthy due to the excessive use of oil. The Bella Pro air fryer uses hot air circulation to cook food evenly, resulting in crispy, delicious meals with significantly less fat. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt. It's time to experience the crispy, delicious world of air frying. With the Bella Pro air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite dishes, from fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and even desserts, all with a healthier twist. The convenience versus versatility and health benefits make it a must-have appliance for any modern kitchen. So why wait? Make the switch today and discover a new way to cook that's both fun and nutritious. Alright, let's wrap things up with where you can get your hands on the Bella Pro air fryer, and what you should know before you start cooking. The Bella Pro 9-quart TriZone Touchscreen Air Fryer is super easy to find. You'll spot it at all the big retailers, both online and in stores. Think Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and more. So whether you love the convenience of online shopping or prefer checking things out in person, you've got plenty of options. Here's a tip. Don't forget to shop around for the best deal. Prices can vary, and there are often discounts or special promotions, especially around holidays or big sales events. Signing up for store newsletters or loyalty programs can sometimes score you extra savings too. A little price comparison can go a long way. Once your Bella Pro arrives, take a few minutes to check out the user manual and safety instructions. It's packed with helpful info, like how to set up your air fryer, cooking tips, and how to keep it clean. Trust me, a quick read will help you get the most out of your new kitchen gadget. And with just a bit of care and regular cleaning, your Bella Pro will keep serving up tasty, healthy meals for years. It's designed to make cooking easier and healthier, so you can whip up everything from crispy fries to juicy chicken, using less oil and getting more flavor. So why wait? Give your kitchen a boost with the Bella Pro Air Fryer. It's a great way to save time, try out new recipes, and enjoy delicious results, whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned home chef. Happy cooking!